do we offer finance, and if we and what kind of financing do we have?
So we have a few different ones, like your sheds and shells. We have a rent to own up to $35,000, no credit checks. Then for your we also do have on the shells. We also do have a finance company that we work with that goes up to $100,000 that we can do it's a personal loan that we can do. We get people approved all the time. Anywhere from a 5.99% interest rate to a 12%, depending on what your credit score is, your debt to income ratio. You can buy down the rates. And then we go to a 30-year mortgage for anything above a 600 square foot house. We can offer a 30-year mortgage on that. After, there's qualifications that you have to have, like owning your land, and some other things that you have to have, but you can put a 30-year mortgage on our houses because after we're done, they're considered real property. And real property is you can have an appraisal come in and appraise that house, and the appraisal office and the title company will actually it's a traditional permanent foundation house. After we set it on, we tie it down to a concrete foundation, and we can write a 30-year mortgage, and then that's where the affordability comes in. Because you're expanding your payments over 30 years, well, obviously they're going to be cheaper than if you would get a 10-year loan or a 20-year loan.
But there is a lot of people that don't want to have a 30-year mortgage, and we could come down as 5-year mortgage, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years, 30 years, depending on how much you want to pay monthly and how fast you want to get out.
And also how much, do you want to put more down? Do you want to pay it off in 5 years? Yeah. Great. You can pay down the principal. Yeah.
We hear a lot of people though that say, well, I don't have land right now. In some instances, we've had their parents or their family deed them land, sell them land. So talk a little bit about.
So you can sell a piece of, let's say your family owns it, Kyler. You can sell Zeke a piece of property for $1.
Half an acre, $1, like half an acre, an
right.
acre.
We should do it one day live, dude. Yeah. You should sell me something like $1, and then
yeah,
we'll show the people how it's done, right? What do you guys think?
Yeah, no.